Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to use NordVPN on iPhone. So if you have your NordVPN app downloaded already, you're going to click on it. And right here you can see the main NordVPN dashboard. Now here in the main dashboard you have some options to look at. At the top you have VPN not connected, and that's because you need to get a subscription. Now when you tap on subscription, you're going to have the option to see a current sales plan where you can select it, or you could decide to see other plans. So at the bottom of Start Subscription, you can see All Plans. It's going to take you to this page where you can choose a plan, 1 year plus 1 gigabyte of eSIM, or you can simply choose 1 month. However, with the 1 year, you can save up to 41%. Now, after you've had that done, you're going to have the option to turn on your VPN. Now, before you turn on your VPN, of course, you want to select the country that you would like to have it, and this has a list of countries that you can choose from. And then at the bottom right here, you can see your profile, your subscription plan, if your dark web monitor is turned on or off, your security score, depending on your settings, and you could also see if your threat protection is turned off and your multi-factor authentication is turned on or off. This could be simply done by tapping on it and clicking on Turn On. And the same thing goes for multi-factor authentication. You have the option to refer a friend or contact NordVPN in case you're having any challenges. NordVPN has some other services which you can look at, such as the Nord Password, the Nord Locker, and the Nord Layer. And then at the bottom here, you have the option to log out. Now, if you'd like to see your statistics or how you're doing or how you've been using your NordVPN, at the bottom here, just beside your profile icon on the left, you're going to see the statistic icon. Now here it's going to show you your connection status, your IP address, the connection time, and the protocol you're using. You're also going to see the weekly time you've been protected by, and you could see the streak and the maximum streak of days that you've been using NordVPN constantly. And then here in the second option here, you have the chance to choose a private network. Now this is called MeshNet, which lets you to link remote devices to access them securely and route traffic through another device. Now back at the main dashboard, you can see at the top right corner the bell icon, which is also for notifications. Here you're going to see notifications that are related to your account. So this is how to use NordVPN on iPhone.